Earth my body, water my blood, air my breath, and fire my spirit. Hello, my name is Shanobfavors. I am a mindful-based stress interventions teacher, astrology coach, and a spiritual healer. Enrolling in my class, you will learn and practice the techniques that I teach to help you reduce stress in your mind and in your body. Also, applying the techniques that I teach will help you to achieve a more relaxed and alert state while navigating through our current climate. I hope to see you soon. Enroll in the class. Thank you, stay woke, and peace. Earth my body, water my blood, air my breath, fire my spirit.